Did you know that over 30% of people experience hair fall during the summer months? Today, let's find out why and how to stop it. With heat, humidity and sun exposure, hair fall can increase drastically in summer. Second, increased sebum production. Overproduction of oil can clog the pores and lead to hair fall. Third, heat and humidity. Hot weather can cause dehydration and lead to dry, brittle hair prone to fall. Fourth, sun exposure. UV rays from the sun can damage the hair shaft and weaken the hair, leading to fall. Fifth, heat styling tools. Frequent use of flat irons, curling wands and hot rollers can cause severe hair damage and breakage. Let's discuss some important factors that may cause hair fall in summer. Opt for a gentle, hydrating cleanser that won't strip your hair of its natural oils. Second, use a wide-tooth comb. Use a wide-tooth comb to detangle your hair, starting from the end and working your way up. Be gentle to prevent breakage. Third, protect your hair with a scarf or hat. Cover up with a scarf or hat when going out in the sun to protect your hair from harmful UV rays. Fourth, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your body and hair hydrated. You can also use hydrating hair masks for extra moisture. Fifth, consider a trim. Schedule regular trims to get rid of split ends and prevent further damage. This will keep your hair looking healthy and prevent excessive fall. In this video, you will discover 5 powerful strategies to stop hair fall this summer. Remember these simple yet effective tips. By taking good care of your hair, you will be able to enjoy a stress-free and fabulous summer. First, improper hair care routine. In summer, we tend to use more styling products and tools, which can damage the hair, leading to dryness and breakage. Now that you are aware of the factors, let's discuss how to tackle them. First, choose a mild shampoo and conditioner. To wrap it all up, don't let another summer go by with you worrying about hair fall. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Your feedback means everything to us. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.